your time, get your TheraBand，攞嚟條膠帶啦。Alright, so we're going to do more resistance work today。好啦，我哋今日會做多啲阻力嘅訓練啊。What I want to start with, hold the TheraBand, stretch to the side, yeah, back to the basic。OK， 翻返去咧簡單嘅 basic 嘅運動做咩嘅？揸住條膠帶 and then you pull。So when you pull the TheraBand, I want you to think about you are reaching the hands away to the side. So I'm not just pulling back like this. I want you to think about you are stretching your hands. You make your arms longer and your shoulders wider. 個感覺咧就係將條膠帶一路拉長，手去一路伸遠啲啦，拉長佢啦。All right, do a few more times of this. All right, one more time. Okay, good. Now from here, keep your hands slightly wider. 將隻手發開多少少啊。Can you go for the arm raise? So you're going to raise your arm. Check the range of motion in the shoulders. Okay, 感覺下咧你自己個膊頭個幅度啦。So how do you know your maximum range in your shoulders? 點樣知道你個膊頭咧係去到最大幅度咧 ？So you'll find that once your arms reaching up, your scapula at the back, your shoulder blade, it will also elevate. But you will find that reach to one point that you cannot just allow the shoulder blade come up, which is like this. You need to go opposite way around. That means you need to depress your shoulder blade down as you raise your arms up. Alright， 嗱咁你諗下咯喎，隻手升上嚟嗰陣時咧，你後邊個雞翼骨咧會升起嘅。但係咧，我哋唔可以俾個雞翼骨一路上去，如果唔係你會縮咗個膊頭嘅。咁你上到咁上下咧，你要將個雞翼骨沉翻低。然後將隻手升起 ，yeah. So you will reach to one point that you need to keep the shoulder blade down and keep raising your arms up, yeah. If you are able to keep your body still while you're reaching your arms all the way up, that will be your maximum range. So that means for me, I'm able to keep my spine steady in a neutral positions, and I can raise my hands all the way here. So this is my range. I can even go further, but you can see as my hand going further away, I run out of room. That's why I start lifting up my chest. So that means that's over the maximum range of my shoulders. 好啦，中文再講多次啦。嗱，頭先講啦，如果你能夠 keep 住個身體係穩定嘅，即係個身唔係特登拗後或者向前彎嘅，你去到有個位係啦。咁如果你能夠 keep 住個身體穩陣嘅唔喐嘅，咁嗰個就係你個最大幅度啦。你見到我隻手去到我嘅頭後邊啦，你就會見到我心口咧開始彈咗上嚟咧。That means 咧我就已經隻手冇晒活動能力啦，我只係靠個胸椎去喐。所以咧我嘅最大幅度咧應該係翻呢一個位啦。So based on what I said, my maximum range of my shoulders.While I'm able to keep my body still with control, is right here. So you can do your same assessment without the TheraBand. 嗱，你自己都可以 test 下嘅，自己睇下啦。你去到邊個位，你個身體控制唔到啦，一定要壓起身啦。咁咧嗰個位之前你就要停低啦。Alright. So once you notice your maximum range, the next step you need to pull the TheraBand out to the side. So for me, I'm able to reach my hand.Slightly behind my head, that's why I can pull the TheraBand behind my head. So if you are not able to do that, you can just stay here and then you pull. 嗱，你自己 test 下啦，你個膊頭，如果你能夠揾到最大嘅幅度 ，for 我咧，我個幅度去多過後邊嘅，我可以過咗我。咁我拉膠帶嗰陣時咧，條膠帶就喺我後邊啦。如果你隻手去到呢度嘅啫，條膠帶就喺前邊啦。Alright, so find your maximum range.And then you pull the TheraBand to the side. It could be all the way back like this, or it could be slightly to the front. So I just want you to understand the maximum range of the shoulders. 好啦，做多一次啊 ，just do it one more time. Now I want you to reach up to the maximum range. All right. Then I want you to do a side bend. I want you to bend over to one side and then slightly bend over to the other side.So as you are bending over to one side, I want you to think about is the movement of the rib cage. Alright， 將個身咧，當係去一邊嘅時候咧，你開始要諗啦，究竟我做緊啲咩咧？我唔係將個身咬去呢邊喎， 其實要諗側邊呢啲肋骨嘅活動能力啦。So and as you are bending over to one side, I want you to think about the opposite side of the ribs. They are expanding. So that means if I'm bending over to my left side, this is my left. All right. So you are expanding the right side of the rib cage. If you are bending over to the right side, you are expanding the left side of the ribs. All right. Try that. 係啦，咁你側彎去一邊咧，你個對角嘅肋骨其實喺度擴張嘅，所以如果譬如好似我而家去左邊嘅時候，我嘅右邊嘅肋骨咧就要諗下點樣去拉開佢啦，跟住再去另外一邊啦。To expand the rib cage, what you can do is the only thing you can do is the breath. You need to breathe into the side of the ribs. Then that will help you to create more side flexions. 係啦，點樣可以側彎多啲咧？就係需要你用呼吸啦。你去吸氣，吸落去外側嗰個肋骨度咧，你就會發覺咧嗰個 side bend 就會多啲啦。All right, good. Now slowly bring your hands down. All right, give yourself a big shoulder roll. 將個膊頭轉下先。All right, good. Now hold the ferrule band again, so you don't have to pull the ferrule band. Just make it slightly tighter. 將條膠帶咧拉緊少少啫。All right, can you just turn your chest to the left corner, coming back to the center, and then rotate to the right corner. But I want to keep the pelvis still. 係啦，我而家要做咧就係個轉身嘅啫。轉動嘅時候，我就係喐上身啫，我個下身唔喐。So imagine I'm still holding the ferrule band. I'm keeping my pelvis still, my sit bone staying still, and then I just turn through my rib cage and the torso. So I'm moving this part of my upper body. 感覺下咧，淨係得個上身去喐動啫，下身咧就盡量減少啲去旋轉咯。Yeah. So this is the major function. Yeah. Oh, fine. Rotation is the primary movement of our thoracic spine. Yeah. Beside the flexion and extension. 嗱，你要留意啦，我哋個胸椎，即係呢一陣胸椎咧，個重第一嘅做到嘅嘢咧就係屈曲同埋伸展啦。第二樣嘢，我哋胸椎要做嘅就係個旋轉啦。我哋個胸椎應該要做多啲旋轉，掟你個腰椎嘅。All right, good. Now after you turn over to one side, can you pull the ferrule band back? So you reach a little bit further and look to the back of the hand. Reset and then turn over to other side. 嗱，個身一路轉到最遠嘅時候，後邊嘅手拉條膠帶，而家將個心口再拉遠少少啦。Alright，轉晒身，跟住拉條膠帶。Alright，翻到嚟 ，very good。Just turn and then stretch your arm and then reset. Turn and then stretch your arm. Alright, good. Can you do it two more? So one more on each side. 每邊做多一次啫，加埋隻後手再拉啦，轉咗個身之後，後手拉。Alright, good. Now drop the ferrule band down. Give yourself a big shoulder roll again. Okay, now next exercise. Can you step on the ferrule band? 係啦，隻腳踩住條膠帶咯喎，係啦。咁最緊要咧就係如果你冇膠帶，你就攞毛巾啦。所以 if you really don't have a ferrule band, try to get a long towel. Okay， 好啦，有膠帶咯喎。What I want you to do now is, okay, so you're gonna wrap around your feet. All right, just slightly hinge your back a little bit. So I want you to hinge your back a little bit. Can you extend your legs? All right, good. And then bend and extend. Yeah, so just like Santa Claus. So just like Santa Claus. Yeah. 好似聖誕老人啦，而家捉住拉住咯喎。Now can you make the ferrule band a little bit tighter now? All right, good. 嗱，將條膠帶咧再緊少少咯喎。Yeah, good. Now as you extend your leg, I want you to think about you're reaching through the heel. So I'm reaching through the heel. So I'm not doing a kick like this. I'm stretching the leg away. I'm reaching my heel further away from my body. 嗱，而家我想你練習係咩咧？嗱，咁樣你拉住條膠帶嘅時候咧，而家係一個踢嘅動作。我要做嘅唔止踢，係隻腳伸展到去呢個位嘅時候，將腳踭去拉長啫。Alright, so make sure you understand what I'm saying. Like I'm not doing just a kick. This is kicking. Kicking is very easy. But now I'm doing an extension. At this point, I want to reach my leg away. So you can see my leg is actually getting longer. 之後我係撐出去，你會見到我隻腳係長咗嘅。So how do you make it longer? So you see my sit bone move as well. I'm reaching my heels toward to the wall. 你見到我係將隻腳踭撐出去，好似有拉扯嘅感覺。Yeah. So I want you to understand this, but I want you to try both legs. So you're going to extend and then reach. So that's why you need to set the TheraBand tighter. It will give you more feedback to your muscles. 係啦，所以點解條膠帶要再緊啲咧？條緊啲咧，你會幫助你發覺隻腳可以撐出多啲。Yeah. Can you do it again? Up, and then you can pull the TheraBand and then extend your leg. You can find your body is actually sitting taller. 你會發覺咧，當我一咁樣拉出嗰陣時咧，個脊骨開始拉高咗啦。Yeah. All right. So we are doing something called a neural stretch, a neural flossing. 我哋做緊一啲做啲咩咧？咁啊 flossing 係咩咧？就係將你個筋膜去慢慢拉鬆佢嘅。So which part of the fascia that we are stretching now, which is the back of the legs, connect to the here. We call it thoracolumbar fascia. 我將我背筋膜去拉鬆，咁你要拉鬆後背筋膜咧，隻腳一定要咁樣拉出去啦。All right, good. Can you do it one more time? So you're gonna stretch and then come up. All right, looking good. And then just take out the TheraBand so you can rest a little bit. Okay, just put the TheraBand somewhere on the floor. Okay, let's do some hip rotation. Can you set your feet wider? 好啦，條膠帶放咗落地之後，我而家做一啲盤骨嘅喐動啦。All right, good. So what I want you to start with, just set your feet fairly wide, wider than your shoulders. Now, can you see if you can just rotate your hip a bit? So you're turning the hip. 係啦，嗱你隻腳擘大咗喐嘅時候咧，我而家想做啲咩咧？其實咧好似行路啫。So I look like I'm walking. Yeah. But now, because the legs is not right underneath my shoulders, my legs are away, I'm actually moving my pelvis. Yeah. 係啦，嗱咁你見到我平時行路嘅時候，當然隻腳喺下邊啦。嗱一冇咗隻腳之後會點咧？你 feel 到其實我哋喐動行路嘅時候咧，我係用緊個 hip 去喐嘅。Yeah. So what I'm saying is, yeah, usually when we walk, we have legs underneath my hips, right? Our hips, right? So we move like this, right? Now, because the thigh is reaching out to the side, I don't have the legs here anymore. Think about when you walk, you can see while we are walking, we are actually initiating the movement from the pelvis, which is from here, sometimes what we call the powerhouse. Yeah, good. 咁我想你感覺到啲咩？你會發覺嗱，而家我特登將隻腳擘開咗咧，你發覺其實我哋行路嘅時候咧，唔係用腳發力嘅，成日都話啲人話用丹田發力咧，其實你見到㗎，而家個盤骨喐動係點樣喐啊？你要靠個肚墩仔去幫助你喐嘅。Now you can also see as we are moving, you can reach the opposite hand away. So that means if I'm turning to my right side, my left hand will go forward. I'm turning to my left side, I'm reaching my right hand forward. Yeah. So can you feel that? Okay. 你自己感覺下啦，你會發覺咧，將一邊個 hip 推出嚟咧，對角隻手係好容易拎起嘅。Yeah. So you'll find that as you walk, yeah, it's very easy to reach the opposite hand forward. So it's like this, like this, like this. All right, last two, and then one. All right, good. Now from here, can you roll the pelvis forth and back? So try to make a circle. 係啊，好啦，試下啦，將個盤骨去喐咯喎。係啦，你隻手可以放喺個地下度。So all these exercises, I'm initiating the movement from my pelvis and somewhere down, which is my pelvic floor. Yeah. Instead of using my legs. 嗱，你感覺下咧，嗱，譬如好似我而家喐動啦，我個盤骨喺度畫緊圓圈嘅。真正喐動嘅地方咧，你見到其實係盤 盤骨啦。So I'm moving my pelvis. Yeah, but you will find that if the hip joint they are very tight, then you will find it so hard to move the pelvis. This is a very good exercise to learn how to mobilize and initiate the movement from the pelvis while I'm also mobilizing my hip joint. Can you go for the opposite direction? 好啦，調翻轉反方向咯喎。嗱，頭先我想講就係咩咧？而家我哋平時咧，我哋個髖關節要喐噶嘛。個髖關節如果喐唔到咧，你發覺盤骨都喐唔到嘅。而家呢個 exercise 咧就係調翻轉啦。由於隻腳踩地咧，你會發覺咧，你會容易啲喐個盤骨，而用個盤骨帶翻動你個髖關節。如果你個髖關節緊咧，呢個係一個好好嘅 exercise 去幫你去喐動翻個髖關節啦。So as you see, as I move my pelvis, you can go opposite around, yeah, opposite direction. As I move my pelvis, my hip bone is follow along. Yeah, my hip bone is follow along. All right, good. Now, can you go forth and back? So I'm doing a tuck. I shouldn't take a tuck. You feel like you're arching. So you see, like this. And then I want to curl and then arch and then curl. Okay, I want to understand how you move your pelvis now. 感覺下咧，你個盤骨究竟點樣啊？好似個 bucket 倒水落去，個桶向前倒水 ，and then you pour the water back and then forward and then back. All right, good. 嗱個盤骨咧就係可以咁樣啦。當你前後頭先做咗圓圈啦，而家做前後啦。咁我想你做多少少嘢啦。Now next step, before you arch, which is doing this, can you push your knees away? So you're reaching your knees toward to the corner. Yeah. If you can't feel anything, use the hand to push your knees away. Use the hand, slide your knees away, and then push back. 好啦，而家要做啲咩嘅？當你向前傾嘅時候，盡量將你個膝頭哥個大髀骨向斜角嗰度擘開，跟住收翻嚟，再嚟 push 向斜角擘開啦。So now you are doing a fair arch. Yeah, you can see if you push your knees out more, it creates more extension in the lower back. 你將個膝頭哥要推出咧，發覺咧你個後腰咧 lower back 會再伸展多啲嘅。Yeah, and then I want you to think about you're reaching the crown of the head up, and then return. All right, do it again. Reaching the crown of the head. 諗下個頭殼頂一路向天伸展。So it's not just the back arch like this. So we are not doing this. I'm reaching out. I'm reaching up. 係啦，你要諗下我而家唔係拗背啊，我將個身一路拉長向天。All right, now for the curl, can you step your toes forward? So now you're going to turn your toes forward. So like this, 將你腳趾指翻上前。Now can you push and curl, and then sit back up, and then curl？ 好啦，試下咧點樣去捲曲咯喎。腳趾指咗前之後咧，將個大髀骨推向前，跟住個 pelvis 個盤骨向後啦。Good. So the more you push, the more you send your knees away, you will find that you will create more room for the curl in your pelvis and your lower back. 嗱，你個膝頭哥一路再推前多啲咧，你發覺咧個 lower back 個盤骨個位咧，你會捲多啲嘅，所以好依賴究竟你個膝頭哥推唔推得前咧？咁點樣幫助你推前啊？How do you reach your knees forward more? You place your hands on top of the thigh and then you slide your hands away. Yeah, that will create more curling and room for the pelvis curl. 係啦，你隻手一路推前嗰陣時，你就發覺可以一路捲多啲啦。Alright, now you're going to combine two movements together， 將兩個動作合埋啦。So before you go for the arch, you turn your toes out, right? So you turn your toes and then you arch, you extend your back, step your feet in and then you curl. Step your feet out and arch. Step your feet in and curl. 係啦，咁你發覺啦，我而家要做咧就係將啲腳趾擘開，跟住將個心口拉長，將啲腳趾踏翻上前，將個盤骨向後捲啦。 So we are doing a slightly arch and curl using the movement of the legs and the pelvis。係啦，你發覺咧，而家我做 arch and curl 嘅時候咧，我係用隻腳啦，用多啲腳去幫助你去做呢個伸展同埋捲曲啦。All right, good. Can you do a few more times of this? Let's go for 5 5次 4 3 and then 2 and then 1. All right, good. Reset. Probably you feel some soreness right at the back of the pelvis. 係啦，你發覺你做完呢動作之後咧，後邊呢個盤骨、呢個底骨呢啲位咧有少少冤冤地啊，因為我哋咧係咁喐緊佢嗰啲筋膜同埋嗰啲筋腱。Yeah. So basically, this exercise is not just movement of the pelvis. It also helps you to stretch and open up the back and open up the ligaments right at the side of the sacrum. All right, good. Now next, can you do a slight rotation now? Step your feet wider, go wide again, turn your body to one side, rotate your hip, so your knee pointing down to the floor, and then reset. 將個身轉啦，係啦。So remember that when you turn, we're keeping one side of the seat bone on the chair. 我哋保持翻咧，有一邊個屁股個 pat pat 咧就坐在張凳度，然後轉身後腳踭升起啦。Good. So you rotate, you lift the heel up. Okay, 轉咧 good. Looking good. 幾好啦。All right. 2 more. 做多2次。Okay. And then 1 more time. All right. Reset. Okay. So you can take a little rest. Okay. 咁唞下隻腳。Okay. Now let's go back to your upper body. So I want you to do some resistance exercise to your upper extremities. 好啦，而家要俾你上身多一啲阻力啦。Okay, now you can step on the TheraBand, sit down on the chair. Can you go for side shoulder raise? Okay, so if you find the TheraBand is too tight, the resistance is too strong, make the TheraBand longer. Now just raise your hands and then down. 係啦，嗱，如果你發覺呢條膠帶太緊啦，個阻力太大咧，記住將條膠帶整遠長少少啦。All right, good. So when you pull the TheraBand up, I don't want you to tense your neck and your trapezius. So I don't want to tense here and the shoulders. Yeah. So drop the shoulder blade down, sitting taller, raise your hands up. So I want you to feel the movement of the back, the shoulder blade. 我要你感受下咧，首先第一件事就係拉上嚟嗰陣時，唔好縮起條頸，同埋唔好用咁多頸嘅力，同埋呢個肩嘅力。咁點樣令到條頸同肩唔用多力咧？後邊個肩胛骨要沉低，然後拉上嚟。Yeah. So you see, I'm keeping my shoulder blade down while I'm raising my hands up. Yeah. So to keep my shoulder blade down, I want you to retract the shoulder blade together, and then you pull. 咁你留意啦，點樣令到嗰個肩胛骨佢穩定唔縮起咧 ？So we are not doing this. 就係肩胛骨沉低夾住後邊個肩胛骨。So you try to retract the shoulder blade a bit as you raise your arms up. All right, can you do it one more time? 做多一次。How about the front shoulder raise? Reach your one hand forward and then switch. And then one hand up and another side. 好啦，試下啦，將個身坐直啦，然後咧將隻手向前啫。So we are doing a one arm at a time, one arm at a time. 係啦，一隻手拉上嚟啫，再另外一隻手啦。Now adding on, you reach your hands up, open your hand to the side, back to the front, and then down. 拉咗上嚟之後，擘開隻手，翻嚟前面，再放低啦。Can you do something like this? So it's kind of like up and a shoulder expansion. Up and then expand your arms to the side. All right. Let's do 4 more. 做多4次。4 and then 3 3次。Good. And then 2 2次。Good. And then 1. All right. Good. Now hold the TheraBand. Yeah. So the TheraBand is right between your thumb and your index finger. 攞虎口扣住啦。Can you press your arms up and then down? 好啦，拉條膠帶上去啦。I know it's very challenging. Alright, so first of all, what you can do is make the TheraBand longer. 第一件事將條膠帶整長啲啦。跟住 the second step, when you are doing a shoulder press, I don't want you to hike your shoulder up. Drop the shoulder down. Bring the shoulders. Think about you're moving in a circular motion. 你諗下啦，隻手咧，你咁樣推上去咧，你個膊頭會縮硬嘅。你將隻手喺側邊，好似慢慢升上去，一個兜上去嘅動作咧，你就會發覺咧個膊頭咧就會易啲拉上去啦。Okay, I'm going to adjust the camera a bit so you can see how I move my arms down. Okay, 隻手。So remember that if you go like this, it's lots of like neck and shoulders, left and your traps. All right. So if you go like this, it's like before you do the jump like that, yeah, and then you raise your hands up. Good. Now, I just did something new. If you want to follow me, you can try that. As you raise your hands up, can you come up to standing? And then take your time and then sit. 嗱，試下咧就係起身，伸展隻手，再翻落嚟。All right, do it again. Yeah, so you need to watch out. Make sure you sit back on the chair. 最緊要揾翻你張凳啊，落翻落去。Good. And you do 5 more， 做多5次。And then 4 more. Good job. And then 3， 3次。Good. And 2 more. And then 1. All right, good. Take your time. Come back down to the seat. All right, 坐翻低啦。Okay, now hold the TheraBand again. Yeah. So can you raise your arms all the way out, behind, all the way up? Bring your hands behind your head. You can stretch your arms a bit. So you can bring your TheraBand behind the chair. And then coming back to the front. 好啦，試下將手一路升起，升到有個位啦。你發覺喐唔到啦，你都將條膠帶拉開少少。Yeah. So this is a very, very good shoulder mobility exercise. Yeah. And it's also a very good exercise that work all the muscles surrounding your shoulder joints and your shoulder girdles. 係啦，呢個幾好嘅 exercise 咧，就係你要 test 緊啦，用緊你成個膊頭嘅活動能力啦。我膊頭我講緊咧就係唔止膊頭啦、鎖骨啦、胸骨啦、後邊肩胛骨啦。同一時間，由於條膠帶有阻力嘅，佢會幫助你增強你個膊頭嘅周邊嘅肌肉啦。All right, good. Can you do it one more time? 做多一次。All right, good. Nice and easy. Now wrap the TheraBand around your feet again. 將條膠帶咧包翻住你嘅腳啦。All right. I'm gonna adjust camera. Camera 將個架上啲架咁低先。All right, now from here, so remember the 100. Before the 100, we're going to do chest lift. 係啦，知唔知我成日都做100咁樣 pump 嘅？今次我哋學下點樣做 chest lift 啦。Can you set the TheraBand longer? Okay. Keep the elbows close to your chest. 將個手踭拍埋啦。Can you just roll down? Roll up. And then roll down. 慢慢捲落去，坐翻直。And then roll down. Very good. Okay, do 2 more. 慢慢捲落去。And then 1 more time. All right, roll back up. Make 1 more knot in your hand. So make the TheraBand shorter. 將條膠帶咧就搭咗個結咯喎，再短啲咯喎。Roll down. And then up, sit tall. And then roll down. 捲落去，跟住坐翻直啦。When you are sitting up tall, reach your crown of the head to the ceiling. So I don't want you to go like this. You're reaching the crown of the head up. 你要諗下咧，將個頭殼頂個皇冠一路向天伸展啦。All right, one more time. Good. From here, make 1 more knot. And then 1 more. 2次啦。So it's super short and very tight. All right. Can you raise your legs up? Roll down a bit. 將條膠帶咧拉到好短咯，縮到好短咯。 隻腳升起咗之後，慢慢捲個腹，個身喺側邊。Yeah, and then you can start pumping your hands. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale. Nose, mouth. 你見到我背脊冇掂住個 pan 啊？ So you see, I'm not leaning against the backrest. I'm keeping my back away from the backrest of the chair. All right, good. Can you do 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come up. Okay, untie and wrap your hands. Very good. All right, now from here, let's move on to standing. Let's go standing first. Okay, 將個身企起身先。做一啲好玩嘅嘢先。Okay, you still need the Fairbairn. Okay, we're gonna work on our ankle, our feet. All right. So, from here, stand on the Fairbairn. All right, 踩實啦。Can you make the Fairbairn, like, can you step on the Fairbairn and spread your feet wider? So you already feel the tension, yeah, at the side of the feet. 係啦，你踩咗落個膠帶度之後，將隻腳微微擘開咧，你都感覺到有阻力㗎啦。Now, can you cross the Fairbairn 打交叉 and then make the Fairbairn tighter? Okay, again, wrap the Fairbairn around your hands. 係啦，兜幾個圈綁住隻手 and then keep your hands at the side of the hip. Now at this point, can you try hinging forth and back? So let your body fall forward and then hinge back a bit and then forward. From the side profile 喺側邊你睇到個身咧，我係少少想跌上前 and then stand back tall and then you go forward. Yeah. So basically what happened now is because the Fairbairn trying to pull the legs together and you got to resist that Fairbairn. Stop the Fairbairn pulling your feet together. 你而家做啲咩嘅？你發覺條膠帶由於我隻腳擘開咗啦，你見到隻腳擘開咗，條膠帶想拉你隻腳埋去嘅，埋一齊嘅。我而家唔俾個膠帶拉埋你隻腳。Yeah. So basically, how do you resist the Fairbairn? You need to put more weight on the pinky toe and outside of the feet. 係啦，你要擺多啲力喺呢個腳嘅外側啦。Yeah. 咁你先發覺咧，你唔擺力喺外側咧，條膠帶會扯埋你隻腳㗎啦。All right, good. Can you move your body side to side? So, sideways, just like this, side to side. I'm keeping my feet on the floor. Yeah. It's kind of like wobbling side to side, 將個身左右喐下啫。All right, good. You can lift the foot up a bit. Yeah. 可以將個腳掌少少升起啊。All right, now can you go around the circle? Yeah. So go clockwise first. 嗱，你而家繼續鬥住力。然後將個身喐下咯喎 ，Yep. Looks easy. Actually, it's not. It's going to challenge your balance a lot. 你會發覺咧會挑戰緊呢個平衡啊。All right, can you go reverse? Circle. Make sure you keep the circle smaller, otherwise you will fall. 係啦，小心咧，你唔好將個圓圈畫到咁大啊！如果唔係，你會跌咗落嚟啊。So basically, the circle, yeah. It's a movement of your ankles. 你而家感覺到咧，其實真正喐嘅位咧係你個腳腕嘅位置。Yeah. All right, good. 2 more. And then 1. All right, nice. Okay, let's take your Fairbairn out. Yeah, 攞翻條膠帶。You can shake your legs a bit just to release the tension of the leg. Go back to the chair. Okay, we go for a long lunging position. So step 1 foot back, 係啦，去到一個箭步啦，長啲嘅箭步啦。Okay, what I want to start with is just a nice stretch of the calf. So you don't step too far away because I want to keep the heel on the ground. 係啦，我而家要咧，你隻腳唔使踏到咁後啊，你踏到咁後咧，除非你個腳腕鬆，如果唔係咧，你個腳踭就會離地㗎啦。我想你 keep 住個腳踭喺地下度嘅。So now I want to keep the back heel on the floor. Okay, good. Can you raise the heel up? And then heel up. All right, and then heel up. And then heel down. So just give it a nice stretch. All right, now when you drop your heel, try to bring your heel inward. Yeah. So from the back profile 一樣做啲咩嘅？落嚟嗰陣時，將個腳腕向咗裏邊。So my heel is pointing inside. Yep, like this. And then up, and then heel inside again. 睇唔睇到我腳踭？我腳踭咧係去咗裏邊上去。Alright, now after you raise your heel up, can you turn your heel outward? And then you press. And then down again. 今次咧將個腳踭咧扭咗出去，踩落上翻嚟。Yep. Alright, so you're turning the heel outward. Yep. I'm trying my best to turn my heel outward. Yeah. Okay, can you go inside, up, and then inside, and then outside? So basically, you're rotating the heel inside and then outside. 將個腳踭升起咧，扭入，上翻嚟，扭出。Alright, good. Do it one more time. 做多一次，翻去中間啦。Now raise your heel up. So keep your heel vertically up. Then you go for the lunge. So from here, you drop your knee down and then up. 係啦，個腳踭垂直指上個天啦，跟住上落啫。So again, if you don't have a chair backrest to assist you, if you have a stake, you can hold on a stake. If you have a wall, you can push up against the wall. All right, two more. 做多兩次。Yeah, and then one more time. Come all the way up, change leg, step in, change leg. Alright, first of all, find a position that you can keep the heel down. 好啦，轉咗腳之後咧，揾翻一個位，你可以將個後腳踭踩翻落地先。this is my tricep, but it feels good. 係啦，我呢邊較為緊啲咧，但係個感覺幾好啊。Alright, just right here. Now raise your heel up, turn your heel inward. So 好簡單，上翻嚟之後，將個腳踭扭去入邊，踩落去。And then up, do it again. Yeah. Good. And then up. And then down. Alright, 自己 slide 下咯喎。Alright, now you go all the way around. So you turn your heel outward and then press. Okay, good up. Yeah, this side is better for me as I compare with my right side. 呢邊我覺得會好啲嘅，呢邊冇右邊咁緊。Alright, good. So down, up, turn your heel in and then press. Heel up and then turn and then press. Up and then turn and then press. Good. 上嚟，再轉。Alright, good. Up, turn. Good. 做多幾次先啊。Four more. And then three, 3次。Yeah. 2, 2次 and then 1. Alright, find the center again. 揾翻中間位，然後咧將你嘅後腳沉低啦。So find the center, drop your knee down, and then up, and then knee down. Alright, and then up. Good. 又係啦，膝頭骨垂直向下，上翻嚟。Good. 仲有4次 ，4 more. And then 3, 3次 good. And then 2, 2次 alright. And then 1 good. Now step in. Okay. Now turn the chair to the other side. 將凳變翻另外一邊啦。Alright. Now from here, can you just press both heels down? So make sure you're not pushing the chair away. 將凳咧唔好推到咁遠啦。Just keep your chair slightly the chair is slightly forward in front of you. So from here, can you just sit back? Yep, lengthen the arms. So it's just like a downward dog on the chair. 今次咧做啲好簡單嘅伸展啦，手放喺張凳度，將個 pat pat 向後推，拉長個背脊啫。Yes. Now, can you shift your body forward and raise your heels up? 將個身向前嗰陣時，將個腳踭升起啦。Alright, 將個腳踭踩翻落嚟 ，and then you move back. So as you move forward, you come forward to the plank. You raise your heel up, so it's like a diagonal stand. And then go back and then stretch. 係啦，嗱向前嗰陣時，個身好似打斜企喺度嘅，嗱因為我打斜嘅企喺度啦。Alright, good. And then back. Good. And then forward 向前 ，yep. And then back 向後。Last one， 最後一次向咗前。Alright, good. Now from here, hold here. 停喺度 ，hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, and then 1. Alright, good. Now let's get a mat 去攞張席啦，而家。Okay, good. So get a mat. Place a mat on the floor. Okay, you're gonna lay down on the back. So we go back to the bridging. 好啦，翻返嚟我哋嘅橋式啊，所以咧你要瞓翻低啦。So you need a frail band. So get the frail band， 攞條膠帶瞓低。Alright， 嗱呢個咧，雖然我話 homework 啦 ，so far 咧我聽咁多人咧冇乜人做嘅呢個 exercise。咁你翻屋企記住做多啲啦。So I always say bridging is a homework, but it seems like even my clients, none of my clients did the homework. They don't practice bridging. So that's why you guys need to practice a lot every day. Okay, so put the frail band on the side. Can you slightly tilt the pelvis forward and back first? Yeah, so rocking pelvis. Think about there's a marble on top of the pelvis. So you inhale, you can roll the marble down toward to the heel. Exhale, roll the marble toward to the hand. 係啦，咁你試下咧喐下個盤骨咯喎，幻想下咧有波子喺你個盤骨上邊，吸氣咧將粒波子向下碌，呼氣將粒波子向頭嘅方向碌。So you see, we are doing something called the anterior tilt, pelvis tilt, and posterior pelvis tilt. Can you do one more time? 做多一次。Alright, now you tilt the pelvis back. 係啦，將個尾骨捲起咯喎。And then you slowly peel your spine off, starting from the lower back, mid back, come up to the shoulders. Okay, inhale at the top, 吸啖氣，呼氣，慢慢將個心口捲翻落嚟啦。And then roll back down. Alright, do it again. Curl up. And then roll down slowly, one more at a time. Good. Take out the frail band, 攞條膠帶出嚟咯喎。Wrap the frail band around your knees, okay? And then make a wrap in your hands. 係啦，綁住你嘅手啦。Can you do the bridging again? Just bend your elbows. You're trying to stretch your legs away, so you're lengthening the front part of the thigh and then roll back down. 捲上嚟嗰陣時咧，諗下啦，呢個大髀我一路向外伸展，同條膠帶鬥力嘅。感覺到呢個大髀前面咧係有拉長嘅感覺，全部有收緊嘅感覺。So basically, with the resistance from the frail band, you curl up, you're sending the thigh away. You feel this part is getting longer. You open up the front. At the same time, you're closing the back and then down. All right, can you do it one more time? Up, 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 up. All right, good. And then down. Very good. Now take out the frail band, wrap around one leg. So right foot. 係啦，將條膠帶咧綁住你嘅右腳啦。Now can you go move the legs sideways? So it's just like the windshield wiper, the car windshield wiper. 係啦，你諗下啦，而家隻腳咧，我哋左右喐啫，就係咁樣。So we go sideways, and then you bring your leg across the midline of the body, and then out. 感覺到咧就係隻腳交叉嘅時候咧，啱啱過咗身體嘅中線 ，and then out, and then in. Alright, good. So you have two more, 兩次 ，yep, and then one more, 最後一次。Alright, can you bring your leg down and up? 跟住咧將隻腳落，垂直落 ，and then up. So I'm holding the frail band tight. I create lots of resistance to the frail band to the leg. We go up and then down. Alright, good. 仲有兩次 two more. And then one more time, 最後一次。Alright, now the next challenge is you're going to slide the bottom leg away. 今次將下邊隻腳伸直佢啦。Can you go for a circle now? So make sure your leg go through the midline of the body. 睇住隻腳啦，要過落咗嚟，過咗個中線上翻嚟。Alright, out, down, and then across, and then up. 我哋再嚟啦，自己擘開 circle. All right. 兩次 last two. And then one. Good. Now can you go reverse? 反方向落嚟，再擘開，交叉反方向落嚟，再擘開。All right. Three more. 三次。Good. Two more. 兩次。And then 最後一次。All right. Looking good. Good. Now take out the fur band. Change leg. 轉另外一隻腳咯喎。仲有時間。up 咗隻腳先 so you bend one leg. So again, you need to give yourself more resistance. So if you want to challenge the muscles, you want to stimulate your muscles density, it's better to make the fur band tighter. 係啦，如果你記住啦，你嘅阻力越大咧，咁就俾多啲你嘅肌肉去訓練啦。留意呢個盤骨係穩定啊。So you see, when I'm moving my legs sideways, I'm not moving my pelvis at all. I'm keeping my pelvis still as I'm moving my legs sideways. All right, can you go up, down, up, and then down, and then up, down, hold. 上落啦。All right, looking good. Yes. Now, slide the bottom leg down. 將下邊隻腳伸直啦。You go for a full circle. So basically, we call it the leg circle one. Full circle. 畫個圓圈啦。記住咧，我哋畫，要過中線啊。Make sure you cross the midline. All right. Can you do twice more? 做多兩次。And then one. Okay, now reverse 反方向，唔好唔記得咗要做埋兩邊啊。So make sure you work on the both directions. If you find the fur band too tight, loosen it a bit. 係啦，條膠帶太緊，你自己整翻鬆少少啊。All right, nice and easy. Take out the fur band. All right, good. Turn your body sideways. 將個身退側邊啦。Okay, so you face sideways. So remember the side lift. Okay, 之前做過啦，一個 side lift 啊。Elbows, set your elbow underneath your shoulders. Both hands on the floor. The knees, bring your knees back a bit. Push. So you come up to the side plank position. And then down. You can bring your knees back a bit. So your shoulders and your knees in one straight line. 好啦，可以將個膝頭帶後少少咧，你感覺到膊頭同埋膝頭嗰條直線嘅。You can do the side lift like this. All right, and then back. Make sure your bottom hand push the elbows into the floor, into the mat. 將個手踭推入去，升起個 hip 啫。All right, can you do two more? 兩次。Good. Can you do one more time? All right. Now let's try one more. You're gonna extend both legs. 兩隻腳伸直咯。You can put one leg forward, one leg back. 上面嗰隻擺喺前面又得。Okay. Option, you can keep your other hand on the floor. Otherwise, you're going to do the side plank, with one foot forward. 一隻腳喺前邊再推啦。All right. Two more, you can place your hands here. If you find it's easy, you can stack your feet together and then you push. And then down. 你覺得容易啊？兩個腳掌搭埋就得㗎啦。All right. Change over to other side. 你會見到今日俾多啲負重俾你啊！咁如果你有骨質疏鬆，我要做多啲負重啊。So I give you more resistance and weight bearing exercise today. Yeah. So that help you to smoothen the osteoporosis. Okay, stack your knees together. Yeah. So remember the push. Yeah, pushing sideways. So again, you need to watch out the elbow. If the elbow is too high above the shoulders, you will be like this. So set the elbow lower. It will be easier to engage, to contract the armpit muscles. 係啦，你要留意咧個手踭，如果你高過膊頭線咧，你喺呢度會縮咗膊嘅。如果將個手踭拍翻埋少少咧，你會用多啲胳肋底嘅 muscles 啊。係啦，你個腋窩嘅 muscles 啊。All right, for those, if you find this is easy, you can stretch both legs. You can go for the full version with the feet stacked together with flat feet and then down. Or easy version, one foot forward. You can also keep a hand on the floor. 嗱，自己揀邊個容易啲啦。最難嘅係腳掌搭埋，鋤頭腳上嚟，Good，落翻落去。 Yep， 容易啲，一隻腳擺上前 ，up。And then one more time. Last one, up. And then down. Very good. Now both hands push yourself up. Alright, stand your feet slightly wider. 將隻腳擘翻大啲啦。Can you reach your hands underneath your knees and then grab outside of your feet? Alright, so outside of your ankles. 好啦，隻手點樣嘅？喺內側穿入去，揾你嘅外側。Alright, now from here you grab the outside of the ankles. You can wobble, you can rock your body side to side. Alright, now from here, can you step your feet together? Now keep your feet together. 將個腳掌咧拍翻埋去啦。哇，今日都好緊啦。Alright, at this point, you pull the leg toward to your chest, and then you lift your chest up. Yeah. And then you push your legs away, and then you round your spine. And then you pull and then lift. 嗱，要做一啲簡單啲動作，但係都幾難做啊！你將隻手拉隻腳入嚟，然後將條脊骨拉長 ，alright？ 推隻腳走，將個背脊捲。So I'm doing a slightly arch and curl, using my legs. Arch and then curl and then arch. 做多兩次 ，two more. One more time, arch. And then curl. Good. Now keep your legs wide. 隻腳擘大多少少。Can you do a rotation? So remember the internal rotation. So you're turning your knee internally as you move your body sideways. So internal rotation. Good. Alright, looking good. 轉身啫。頭先個 chair 喺張凳裏面咗。凳上面我哋都做咗㗎啦。So this is the exercise we did when we were sitting on a chair. Looking good. Can you reach your hands away? And then reach the opposite hands away. Alright, good. And then you reach. 將手伸展出去啫，加多個旋轉，加多隻手伸展啫。Alright, two more. 兩次。Good, return. One more. Alright, good. Turn your body and so your chest facing down toward to the floor. Lay down on your tummy. 將個頭燈仔黐喺個地度啦。Okay, can you stand your hands together? Elbows out. 手踭叉開，手搭埋咗。So place your hands underneath your forehead. Can you stretch your legs away? 將隻腳咧向後一路拉長。Then you're going to inhale. Start peeling your nose off the mat. Followed by the chin. Followed by the collarbone. The sternum, and then exhale, melt your chest down, followed by the collarbone, your chin and your nose. 吸氣慢慢升起，將個鼻哥搣起，下巴搣起，鎖骨、心口上咗嚟。呼氣慢慢將個肋骨、心口、下巴、鼻哥。Alright, 再嚟 do it again, peeling your spine off the mat. And then down, nose down. Place your hands right at the side of the chest. 將手放喺你個心口隔離啦。Okay, good. Now you start peeling your nose, your chin, your chest. 慢慢將鼻哥、心口，跟住慢慢落翻嚟。Come down slowly. So you're not coming all the way up. You're trying to keep the lowest pairs of the ribs on the mat. 係啦，淨係將個肋骨黐住嗰張席啫。唔使上到咁高啊 ！Last one， 最後一次。This time, as you come up, you need to come all the way up. Try to push the floor away. You come up to the swan. 上嚟嗰陣時，將隻手撐開，有個大髀離開張席啦。You see my thigh is off from the mat. Then you bend elbows, melt your thigh down, hip down, tummy down, ribs, chest. 好啦，又嚟搣膠紙咯，最後一次吸氣 inhale. Push into the mat so you're able to come up more. There you go, just like that. Alright, now from here, set your feet wider, sit back to the child pose. 將個膝頭向後推入。Good. And you bring your body forward, keep your elbows on the ground. 嗱，將個手踭撳住喺個地下度啦。Now can you just curl your pelvis? and then extend。我要喐嘅地方咧，尾骨向下捲。So I'm curling from here. I'm pushing my belly button up to the sky, and then reset。係啦，再嚟咯，捲。I'm initiating the movement from my tailbone。你感覺到咧，我用嗰個尾骨去發力嘅。So curl, roll up. One more time, curl up, and come up to the all four position。去咗all four 啦，手腕、膊頭，係啦，膝頭骨同個 hip align。Alright, now from here, drop your chest down. Alright, so retract the shoulder blade, bring your chest up, drop your chest down, chest up， 跌咗落嚟，上翻上去。So basically, we're doing something like this, and then up. Alright, good. Can you go for a shoulder roll? You can bend elbows a bit, create a nice movement in the shoulders, the shoulder girdles。嗱，感覺到咧隻手頂住咗咧，膊頭喐啫。Yeah. Good. Good. 做咗一次，反方向 reverse。Push. Push. Push。Alright， 推，捲個背脊，心口升起，再做多一次 ，one more time， curl， and then arch。Alright， push， tuck your toes in，walk back， knees up， 膝頭屈上嚟 ，it's like a crouching positions，extend legs。Then roll up slowly， 慢慢捲翻起身 into the standing。Now you can march your legs and then find your chair。好啦，翻去張凳度啦。A very nice flow today。係啦，你見到又教一啲 flow， 一路做一路喐嘅 exercise 啦。Any question？
想請問你咧，即係話後邊嗰個cat and cow 嗰個咧，你捲嗰個身嘅時候咧，你係咪要 hold 少少嗰個肚筋，等佢慢慢縮入去？
係啦，你會其實我發力位咧，你會發覺我而家咧好多時咧，因為我開始練好多禪柔啊，我嘅發力位咧喺丹田呢度去做㗎。所以你見到我 arch and cat and cow 咧，以前我會教好多咁樣嘅。而家咧，我頭先教你個 cat arch and curl 咧，即係個 cat 禪柔叫 arch and curl。我哋嘅 cat and cow， 你見到我係教你咁樣嘅。嗱，兩種都得㗎，冇話唔同，冇話唔得㗎。So there are two versions. One version that I'm learning from Joel Tonic, I move from my pelvis。嗱，意思我用緊個盤骨發力。All right. Another version that sometimes I teach in Pilates, I'm arching and curling from my back。知唔知道？我係用緊上邊發力同下邊發力係兩樣嘢㗎。咁啊最好而家係兩樣嘢都做晒，咁啊自然咗咯。
咁你有冇靠過收緊個肚腩嗰度、呼吸嗰度，令佢曲啲嘅
？Yes，你係會用腹部。你會發覺越呼氣越深咧，你呼氣落到好深嘅時候咧，佢會令到佢更加捲嘅。你每一次呼氣越深咧，你就好似一啲我成日都講好似呢啲呢嚿嘢咁啦，講起當梅菜啦。咁你會發覺咧，你嘅呼氣咧去到好啲嘅時候咧，係嘛？好啲嘅時候咧，你去到咁樣揸，你會發覺咧，你會去到最深嗰時係咁樣變咗做咁啦。即係等於如果我做一次呼吸聽唔聽到？聽唔聽到？我見3個節文都話俾你聽，吸氣、呼氣。你會去到一個位咧，揸到好深好深喺呢個位度，你會揸實咗咯。 但係佢唔係咁樣喎，我係咁樣。嗰種呼氣咧，你就會發覺你會用好啲嘅 abs muscles。
有嗰個瞓喺度打圓圈嗰個，你有度話我哋要收個肚，係咪因為唔想兩邊擺？
瞓喺度打圓圈係嗰個收個肚，嗰個做嗰個 leg circle。頭先係做 leg circle 啦，leg circle 個 pelvis 係唔喐嘅，你個 circle 唔會咁樣嘅，你要係穩定性隻腳。咁點解要咁做咧？平時我哋行路轉彎個盤骨唔 suppose 要咁樣嘅，所以個 leg circle 係練習緊呢個盤骨嘅穩定性。OK，
所以你又要 hold 住個肚腩。
係啦，你要 hold 住，你唔使特登 hold 住，你收住呢度，定啲，咁啊 OK 啦。good，
阿 Gary，
係
想問問你咧，即係我咧先前咧有一隻腳咧拗咗柴嘅，咁樣咧而家都仲有久唔久咧有少少痛，咁好似你做啲warrior pose 啊，或者正話瞓喺地下做嗰啲 pose 咧，需唔需要 avoid 咧？即係避免佢 get injury 咧？
好，你頭先講拗柴拗邊度先？你拗腳腕啦，你係咁拗啊？
而家痛咧就係嗰個腳踭，
腳踭呢度，
即係嗰嚿骨側邊嗰度嗰個突出嚟嗰嚿，係啦嗰嚿嘢
呢度，
係，
咁啊你
或者
可能
上少少係啦，或者
你可能咁咧就拉到咧，好多時拉傷咗呢個 ligament啦，佢有少少拉。
係啦，咁但係上少少都有陣時會係少，我捽個鐵打好幾次㗎啦，但係咧都係久唔久啊有啲嘢，譬如有陣時咧，好似啱啱坐車咁樣啦，屈住隻腳少少咧，咁咧就係出車嘅時候咧都會係即係少少係即係唔舒服，咁所以我做呢啲咁嘅腳嘅 exercise 咧，我需唔需要 avoid 某一啲嘢咧？
嗱，其實咧頭先咧做嗰啲咧，全部都係好安全嘅，佢冇特別嘅衝擊要你隻腳咁樣嘅。反而咧好多時咧，你會見到我踩住條膠帶咧去喐咧，係俾佢一個穩定性，係一個好好嘅 rehab 啦。如果你拗一齊，係一個復康嘅 exercise 啦。咁你可以做咧，就係話你個 ligament 如果始終都會痛嘅，通常你過咗48小時，佢康復就應該康復嘅。如果唔係咧，過咗1-2個星期應該都幾嚴重㗎啦。你1-2星期都係痛嘅時候就都幾嚴重啦。Anyway， 你可以做啲咩？而家咧，你如果有個網球咧，如果你拉到呢條嘅韌帶啦，呢度撕裂咗咧，其實咧呢度拗咗柴之後咧，你會發覺呢個前脛骨啦，呢個脛骨，係側邊呢一條咧，佢會好實嘅，甚至好痛嘅。你就攞個波波咧去鋥佢啦，即係你攞個波波喺呢個位度碌佢，整鬆佢，又或者咧，你揾到一個好酸嘅位，攞個波波撳實咗佢，即係譬如我而家當我呢度好酸啦，我撳實咗之後咧，你去喐個腳腕，係啦，你
打圓圈，
係啦，打圓圈上下喐，你會發覺咧你做完你話俾我聽，好似我而家咁，波波撳實咗，好痛好冤，但係要喐腳，忍住佢冤你都喐。
我又咁揾唔到個冤位，但係我又繼續做，其實都冇乜所謂㗎，係嘛？
冇乜問題，我只係教緊一個方法咧，幫助你呢一隻腳腕個活動能力加翻大。因為咧你拉完一啲脛紋傷咗之後咧，呢條前脛骨側邊呢個肌肉會緊咗嘅，佢會縮合咗，唔俾你隻腳再喐㗎。咁你頭先做呢個咧係整到個冤，你其實會冤嘅。你攞支筆啊，攞支棍啊，鋥下嘅圍針咧，你會一定會揾到嘅。咁因為好 common。咁你撳實嗰個痛點，然後去喐咧，咁你會令到個腳腕鬆翻咧，然後你再做 exercise 咧，你會 recover 得快啲咯。
OK， 因為已經其實都拉咗 over a month 㗎啦。但係
over a month suppose 佢要好翻㗎啦。咁如果你仲係痛嘅，你要開始進行 rehab 㗎啦，即係要揾
揾醫生，佢又唔係大痛喎，佢係即少少痛。咁但係我問鐵打嗰陣時咧，我做鐵打，咁佢就話冇嘢㗎，呢啲冇問題㗎啦，你慢慢就會好㗎啦咁樣。咁但係久唔久又 come back 咁樣，咁
嗱，你哋個個都要記住，你到50歲啦，我邁向緊啦。你50歲之後咧，你會好多痛症，你係要 deal with it，你要 live with it 嘅，即係嗰啲痛你係走唔到㗎啦，佢跟住你㗎啦。因為你個 recovery 好慢嘅，你話會等佢好咧，你越大我哋要唔喐嘅時候咧，其實佢唔會好嘅，講真。咁但係你要喐佢，佢先會快啲好咯。所以你就係話你點都要喐佢，就算佢痛你都要喐佢㗎啦。
OK，得，唔該晒你先，thank you。
好啦，收工啦，我休下啦，拜拜。
OK，唔該晒嘅，跟住下個星期見，拜拜。